Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech AI. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the saved location in PhotoDirector. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It's quite easy. In case you don't know how to, well, worry not. We have created a tutorial regarding that as well. Now let us simply look at how to change the saved location. At the top left, you will see these three lines right next to PhotoDirector. Click on it right now. And guys, this is it. This is the settings page that we are looking for. As you can see, lots of options, general settings, personal and help center. Right now, if you focus in the personal section just below your username, you will see a button like this that says save location. Click on it. Now from here, as you can see, these are my two saved locations. Currently it is in local. In case you want to shift to SD card, hit on SD card right now. And then your saved location will be changed from your phone storage to your SD card. That's it guys. That's how you change your saved location in PhotoDirector. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.